You know, every home that we list and sell does come with a lifestyle, but not very many homes come with this lifestyle. This home is located in one of the most sought-after locations in all of Calgary, backing right onto the Bow River, right off your backyard. It doesn't get any better than this. This home was built to last. The engineering on it, really impressive. So come inside and have a look. You're gonna love this video.
So I love when you first walk in this home, we have a high vault ceiling with lots of natural light coming in and a really nice entranceway. And the first thing you'll notice is the wide plank flooring that's throughout the main floor. Beautifully done, tasteful colors, just makes this home look tremendous. Okay, so we're standing in the kitchen. I have my partner, Kathy Pigeon, with me. And of course, you know, the kitchen's the focal point of every home, right?
Yes.
This home has the kitchen everybody loves. You've got a beautiful island, and I love this leather top. Stainless steel appliances. You've got the white cabinets blended in with the blue, which I think is very tasteful when you're on the river, because it kind of gives you that feeling of, you know, being at a lake, kind of a property. I love the open concept. So this is really an entertaining kitchen, and they put in these extra cabinets off to the left. You've got the wine fridge. So this way there's no shortage of space. Plus you've got a huge pantry. So everything is here, designed for entertaining because it's open. And I can't say enough about how much natural light is here. Plus the high ceilings, all the pot lights. I tell you, I love this kitchen. What do you think, Kathy?
Yep, very beautiful.
Well, this is great sitting on this beautiful sectional couch. And I just love how this room is set up because you've got this cozy fireplace right here. I've got this beautiful picture window in the back overlooking the Bow River. The millwork here with the built-in cabinets, what a nice touch. So there's just no lack of storage here. This is an entertainment home. You have to have a decent sized eating area, and this is perfect. I mean, you've got a pretty large table here. There's 6 chairs, but of course this could be expanded. You could have 12 people here for Christmas dinner. It doesn't get any better than this. I think I'd like to come here for Christmas next year. Well, what makes this main floor complete is, of course, I'm standing in the den, which I think now with the amount of people that work from home, it's so nice to have your home office. But this home office has 2 large windows, so just lots of natural light if you do work from home. And then we've got 2 more bedrooms and a full bath, all on the main floor. All right, we're now on the top floor of this beautiful home, and we're standing in, of course, the primary bedroom. And love this because hot lights everywhere. I love the flat ceiling. I love these high doors. You've got a king size bed here with plenty of room for more furniture, which of course is really important. Then we make our way over to this ensuite. You've got to see how this killer ensuite really makes this primary suite like a retreat. It feels so good here with this beautiful view overlooking the river. This is pretty nice. You know, I've been in a lot of ensuites in my real estate career, but this one really sets this one apart from most I've seen because, first of all, I love this tile that it looks like it's plank flooring. This beautiful window that still overlooks the river and the hillside across from the river. 2 sinks, beautiful stand-up shower. There's so much space in here, but it's so bright. That's what I just love about it as well. And then of course it leads to this quite large walk-through closet that has all the built-ins that you would want and lots of places to put shoes and their clothes. So this primary suite is completed by having laundry also up here. So it just makes it that much easy to put things away after you wash them too. Beautiful. Well, I mentioned earlier about the lifestyle of this home. So we got these beautiful French doors that I just love as they go onto this gorgeous deck, of course, overlooking the water. So we're just gonna head outside and we're gonna show you what the backyard looks like. Hang on to your socks. You're gonna be really impressed by what you see here. I've stood on a lot of decks in my years, but not had this kind of view. This is just absolutely amazing. So I think if you enjoy summers and and seeing all the wildlife. I mean, they've got an osprey nest out here, seeing all the ducks come. You can even hear the ducks in the background. Maybe in this video you can hear them. The wildlife, I mean, it's amazing what this offers. It's great. We're standing just on this flat lot as well, which I love, and you have so much grass. As we make our way down to the river, you can see that if you wanted to have like a backyard wedding, this is the place to do it. Kathy, do you like fly fishing? Well, if you live here, you'd probably have to start, because I could bring my fishing rod and literally fly fish right off my backyard here. And you can see the water is so crystal blue. I don't think you could ask for a better place to spend your summers and have family gatherings. Yeah, now we're just sitting around the fire pit, overlooking the river with the geese in the background. You know, it kind of feels like we're at some kind of a resort that's 300 miles away from Calgary. Let me just give you a quick summary of this home. If you want a home that offers this kind of a lifestyle, having backyard get-togethers, being right on the river, having a home that's actually well engineered and constructed to withstand all of the weather of Calgary and Alberta, and all of the finishes inside that are really at a high level, you want to come and have a look at this home. I promise you it'll be one of the nicer homes you've ever seen. Now, if you have a real estate agent, call your agent and book your private viewing. If you don't have an agent, call myself or my partner Kathy, and we'll be happy to make an arrangement for you to come and have a look at this home anytime you like.